Hi everybody, this is BobbyRed coming back to you for another box opening. Just got this in the mail earlier today. Just got home about an hour ago and getting ready to open it up. I think this is from Provident. So anyway, gonna open it up and see what's in there. This was pretty fast for it to come. I ordered this over the weekend. A day before Father's Day, and it came in pretty fast. So anyway, as soon as I open it, silver is pretty cheap this weekend. It's around $15.50, $15.55, $15.60. Okay, I got some capsules, as you can see. These capsules are for the Privateer 2-ounce pirate coins. These just came in and I ordered those. These are for some Silver Eagles. Those are capsules. Provident. Okay, it's a small opening, but let's see what we got. Okay, of course, you know what these are. These are the Privateers Pirate 2-ounce coins. And these are the new capsules for them. We're going to try those out in a minute. And here is the brand new Hercules coins. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, gorgeous. These just came in. Put that there. And this is the pirate. And these are the coppers to go with the Hercules. And this is, I think this is number 9. These are number 9. So I got 3 Hercules. Yep, 3 Hercules with 3 coppers, and 2 of these. And wow, she's gorgeous. One-ounce silver Fortuna gold bar. You got that? She is gorgeous. But anyway, I'm excited to see how this would work. If this capsule would fit the new coin. So let's see which way she goes. She must go this way. Here's the new ones. These, you get these at this place, at Provident. So all you guys that got the 2-ounce private coins, Privateers, the 2-ounce, you get them at Provident. I don't work there. I'm not advertising, but if you need them, they're there. These are the capsules. So let's see how they fit. Beautiful. Excuse my gloves. My gloves are extra big. That is gorgeous. Now your coins are protected, guys. For all the silver community, these are the new capsules for the brand new coins. For the 2-ounce ones. But anyway, that's what I got. I got the 3 new Hercules. I think that's labor number 9. with the 3 coppers. And these will make 10 already, so I have a tube of those now. There's my capsules and my 1 ounce gold pump Fortuna gold bar. Again, I want to thank the silver community. Without you, I won't be here. I won't be doing this. I thank you for all your videos that inspired me, that really made me go out and do this. And again, I just want to thank everybody. And again, like always out there, everybody, keep stacking. Until next time, this is BobbyRed. Bye-bye.